Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Parmesan roasted potatoes. So I'm going to start off by showing you the ingredients. First, you're going to need 3 pounds of red potatoes that are quartered, and then you're going to need half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of thyme. And then you're going to need 6 large garlic cloves that are minced, and then 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, and about half a cup of butter. And then you're going to need 3 tablespoons of finely chopped parsley and about 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. And now we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to be doing is in a bowl, I'm going to be adding the olive oil, and then I'm going to be adding the thyme, the parsley, the oregano, the salt, and the pepper. And then we're also going to be adding the Parmesan cheese and the garlic. And then you're just going to go ahead and add your mixture to your quartered red potatoes. And then you're just going to go ahead and toss the potatoes until they're all very well coated. Okay, and now you're just going to go ahead and place the potatoes in your baking pan. I went ahead and added aluminum foil just for easier cleaning purposes, but you don't have to. And now I'm going to bake them on 400 for 45 minutes, and every 15 minutes I'm going to flip the potatoes so it could bake on both sides. And after 45 minutes of baking the potatoes, you're just going to broil them for a few minutes. While your potatoes are broiling, you're just going to go ahead and melt the butter until it's a little bit browned. And then you're going to sprinkle the potatoes with the finely chopped parsley. And once the butter has browned, you're just going to go ahead and add it to the potatoes. And after adding the butter, now the potatoes are ready to serve. These would be great as breakfast potatoes, or they even go great with my Cajun butter steak bites, which I will leave the link down below for you in the description box. But thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.